Hey everybody, I'm Nicholas with AC Pro. We've been getting a lot of questions about how to generate leads, and we realize a lot of you either don't have websites or you're paying too much for home service directories. With those setbacks in mind, we think we can help. We've implemented a free feature on our website where you have access to thousands of automated and high-quality leads. When homeowners land on our website, they can find local AC Pro certified contractors by typing their zip code into our search. We want to give these leads to you, and here's how you can take advantage of it. When you're signed in from the homepage, go to My Account, Dashboard, then Manage My Business Listing. Here, you will input all of your information, including your company info, diagnostic fee, and any additional information that applies to you. Here's a quick tip. For better exposure and a higher chance of acquiring a lead, be sure to upload a photo of your logo and check all service types that apply to your company. Once everything is filled in correctly, scroll down and press Save. Every time a homeowner views your listing, phone number, or website, it is tracked and displayed in your listing statistics, so you can see how your listing is performing. And there you go, you are now well on your way to receiving more converting leads with just those few simple steps. If you need any more help or have any questions, contact us at acpro.com or give us a call at 800-800-4121.